Oh my gosh, you guys. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John and I'm going to try out the Wake Up and Makeup lashes by BelleChloe today. And if you want to see how I'm doing these like magnetic eyelashes, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is the box they sent me. It says Wake Up and Makeup, which is pretty sweet. And this is how it opens. Oh, it looks like super classy, and I love that like basic white and like black. So let's just unwrap this goodie, and here we go. So it says Wake Up and Makeup Magnetic Eyelashes. Oh, sorry. Good morning. Okay, this kind of sounds like Jeffree Star, right? Okay, so let's open the double demi vis, please. Okay. Wow, you guys. Oh, there's a card in here as well. Applying with the applicators. Okay, so we've got the applicator right here, which is pretty cool. I never tried magnetic eyelashes before, so I really hope that I can like rock this, but it looks like easy, I'd say. And yeah, let's jump into this cute box right here. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks so stunning. And you open it like this. Oh, cute. Look at this. And it's got a mirror on top as well, which is super handy, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I will give you a close-up of this, I guess. So the instruction actually says that you pick one of the like bottom, not bottom, top? Is it top? Yeah, you go for the top lashes, and then you basically just hold them onto your real natural lashes and try to not blink. And after that you're going to place like the tiny magnetic lashes underneath, and I really hope that I can do this, but we will see, guys. Okay, so this feels good actually. Like, I thought this was plastic, but it's maybe it's plastic, I don't even know, but no, I think it's metal or something. But it feels like super great actually. Alright, so the box is metallic, which means that the lashes stick in here. So I'm trying to grip these without like ruining them, and here we go with the first one. I hope this is my length, but let's just see. Oh yes, this is magnetic, look at that. Stuck right here. Okay, so basically just pop it on like that. I will just like lay it on top to see if this would be like my length. And let me check that in a mirror because I can't see it like in the viewfinder, but the length is actually perfect, I guess. Okay, so I don't blink now, as it says. And then I'm just trying to grip one of these. I think I'm starting with, where do I start? Probably with the middle part, right? But I can't grab it with this one. Oh gosh, you guys. Okay, so I just grabbed the middle one and I'm just trying to pop it on here. I hope you can see this. I can't even see it myself, so. Oh my gosh, you guys. This did actually hurt. It really did. Oh my gosh. Let me check my eye. Okay, nothing happened, but it did really hurt. Oh my gosh, I hope you can do this again. So let's just place this on top of my lashes. You guys. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh, I don't know where it look like. I kind of want you guys to see it, but can't see it myself, so. Oh, this is not working. but they look so sweet. Oh my gosh, they are like perfect. Okay, let me try this again. Ouch! It just hurt me and doesn't work. Why does it not work? You guys. I mean, I've never had magnetic lashes, but I never thought it would be like this hard to put on. Because so many people use them. But it hurts, you guys. It really does. It doesn't work. Does it not work? Oh gosh, you guys. I'm so sorry. It looks so cute, right? I could still like put them on like this. Like with lash glue. Okay, I'm going to try it again. But you know what? I'm not using this like tweezer-like applicator. I'm basically just using my finger because I think I can pop it on easier then without like hurting myself. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared because it did actually hurt. Wait a second. Oh, you guys, oh no. I'm so scared now. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh my gosh. Why does it not work? They are so sweet and I can't put them on. Okay, let's try again. If it doesn't work, I'm going to try the other side, maybe. Does it work? No. Oh, it does. It's on, I guess. Is it on? Oh my god, I think it's on. Guys, it's on. Okay, so we got the first one. And now we're taking bottom left. And I'm just going to place it. Oh, this is the wrong side. This is the wrong side. This is super hard, you guys. This is actually super hard. So, let's try it. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Look at what I did! I did it the wrong way. Oh no! Oh no! It's not supposed to be like that. Alright. You guys, this is so hard. And embarrassing. It's on! Look at that. I only need the bottom right sides now. And there's two. Wow, super cool, right? So this is going to be even harder now, but let's just try it, right? I hope that I'm going to do it right this way, but we'll see. I don't even know where it is! Like the magnetic stripe, you know? I mean, I see it looks like a little thicker than the like lash band. Oh, you guys, I'm so scared. I can't even put it on. Okay, wait. I just think I'm grabbing the applicator again. And I'm sweating, you guys. I really am sweating. Okay, it's on, but it's not holding down my lashes. I'm so sweaty right now. It's not holding my lashes. It's just like, please come off right here without taking off like everything. No way! No freaking way, you guys. Oh my gosh. Imagine you're going out on a date or dinner or whatever and you're stuck here with magnetic lashes, like... No, this ain't working for me, honey. This ain't working for me. Like, even though they look so sweet, they be wispies, double wispies, I guess. And I think it's not working for me, which is so sad. Okay, I'm going to try it again because we don't give up, right, girl? We don't give up. Okay, first one, got it. Got it. Oh gosh, you guys. Okay, now I'm just needing the bottom. Oh, it doesn't come off. Wait a second. Honey, please. Could you just stay right here? I can't without blinking, you guys. And I look like super creepy and I've been doing this for 10 minutes almost. I got it. Only one left. And there is no magnetic stripe, is it? Oh, okay, it looks like this now. I think I got it on. But it looks like so thick right here because I've put 2 layers on instead of 1. I don't know why. But yeah, let's just do the other side as well. Then I can give you like close-up of this, but I hope that it's going to work. Okay, so it didn't work with my fingers, but it's easier with the applicator. Oh, wait, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's see, honey. I'm starting with the middle one again. Because that's how I apply like false lashes all the time. I always press on the middle side first. You guys, it looks so sweet! Okay, but I think I'm only going to use like one of the front parts. Because, well, you know, why not? I think, oh, I just dropped it. Okay. I got it on. You guys, I got it on and I lost one piece actually, but I'm going to find that later on and I think we're done. So let me just explain this right here. I'm going to give you a close-up. Alright, so let's just ignore this and look at this. I can see how fluffy it is and it feels like super lightweight on the eyes as well. But here I put on like 2 layers, like 2 of the bottom lash magnets kind of, and here I did like only like the front, middle and like the right side of the eye. So this is what it looks like and I think it looks so sweet, you guys. I really love it and it feels so good. Oh my god, can we maybe just talk about it like that? But look at it, it's super fluffy. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh gosh, you guys, it's so sweet. And this side was so easy to put on. I'm glad I gave it a try because like I almost gave up on this eye, but you know, it's so cute. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video gets in. I hope to see you soon, and these lashes as well. Bye!